Hey, this is Sriyoli. Today topic is ascending orders and descending order. First of all, you learn ascending order. Okay, ascending order means arrangement from the smallest to the greatest. ఎలా అరేంజ్ చేయాలమ్మా? The smallest to the greatest number means చిన్న నెంబర్ నుంచి పెద్ద నెంబర్ వరకు means small to big numbers, small to greatest number, like that. Okay, I will do the one example. Example 1. Okay, now take 7, 8, 5, 1, 2. Okay, write the ascending order. Now answer is, first of all you take the smallest number. Which is the smallest number? 7, 8, 5, 1, 2. Which one is the smallest number? Okay, you don't know. Okay, now let us starting with 1. What is the smallest number? Okay, yes, first number is 1. Then next number 8, 5, 2, 2. 2 is the smallest number. Next 5. Next 7. Last one is 8. This is the ascending order. Write small to big number, small to greatest number. Okay, do you understand, students? Next. Okay, I will take second example. First, suppose I will take 7 in 1, 7, 14, 28, 13, 9, 60. Okay, how to write this one in ascending order? Okay, now start. Okay, you write ascending order. Okay, now answer is, okay, which one is the smallest one? Okay, this is a 1-digit number. This is a 2-digit number. This is a 2-digit number, 2-digit number, 1-digit number, 2-digit number. Okay, first of all you take 1-digit number. Okay, how many 1-digit numbers are there? 2 numbers are there. Which one? 7 and 9. 7 and 9 are 2-digit. 7 is 1-digit number, 9 is also 1-digit number. Now take which one is, you take first 7 or 9. Okay, 7 is the smallest number. Now take first one is 7. Then after second one is 9. Okay, so 2 numbers are completed. Now take third one. This is a 2-digit number. 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 Okay, how to take 2-digit numbers? Now this is tens place value 1. This is 2, 1, 6. Which one is big one? Which one is small one? Okay, do you want big one or small one? Okay, I want only small one. Okay, first of all I will take 1, 2, 1, 6. I will take only 1. 1 in tens place letter. 1, 14 is there. 1, 13 is there. Okay, which one is small one? 13 is small one. Okay, next one is 1 place in 13 is there, 14 is there. 2 numbers are there. Okay, first importance is small one. Then after next big one. Okay, next one is 14. Okay, 4 numbers are completed. Now you take remaining total 6 numbers are there. Okay, 4 numbers are completed. Remaining 2 numbers are there. Okay, you take 2 or 6. Which one is small one? Which one is big one? 2 is a small one, 6 is a big one. Now you take 28. Then after last one is 60. Now sum is completed. Okay, next one is descending order. Okay, descending order means arrangement from the greatest to the smallest. Now you take greatest number to the smallest number, biggest number to the smallest number. Okay, largest to the smallest number. Okay, now take one example. Example 1, 3, 7, 11, 14, 28. 3, 7, 11, 14, 28. Okay, 3 is 1-digit number, 7 is 1-digit number, 11 is 2-digit number, 14 14 2-digit number. 28 also 2-digit number. Okay, first of all, do you want descending order means greatest to the smallest number. Do you want greatest number? Okay, which one is the greatest number? You don't know. Now how to find out? Okay, 2-digit number is a greatest number. For suppose 2-digit number is a greatest number. Okay, how to take 2-digit number? 3 numbers are there now. 3-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers, 3 numbers are there. How to take? Okay, 11 is greatest number. 14 is greatest number. 28 is greatest number. How to find out? Now check. Okay, 11 10th place value is 1 is there. Now 14 10th place value 1 is there. Now 2 is 10th place value. Okay, which one is the biggest number? 1 or 2 in 10th place value? 2 is the biggest. Okay, first of all, do you want biggest number? Yes, I want biggest number. First number is 28. Okay, one number is completed. Now go to second number. How to take? 11 or 14? Okay, both are 1. 10th place is 1 is there. So you how to take? Now take. You check it in 1's place. 1 4. 11 means 10th place 1 is there. 1's place 1 is there. 14 10th place 1 is there. 4 in 1's place. Which number you take? 11 or 14? In 1's place 1 or 4 is there. You take. Which one is big one? 1 or 4? 4 is big one. Okay, now you take 14. Next one. Only 3 digits are there in 2-digit numbers. 2 numbers are completed. Automatically you take in third one is 11. Okay, next 3 7 is there. Which one is the biggest number? Okay, 7 is biggest number. Then after last one is 3. Okay, now I will take another example. First suppose we have to given in same numbers, one is different number. Okay, first of all, how to take? Okay, what is the meaning of the descending order? Descending order means greatest to the smallest number. Okay, first we take the greatest number. The greatest number is 3, 38, 38, 47, 49, 46, 45. All are 2-digit numbers. Okay, you find out the first which is the biggest number. 38 means in 10th place value is 3 is there. In 10th place value 4 is there. Next 4 is there. 4 is there. 4 is there. Okay. All are 4 is there. One number is 38 in 3 is there. Okay, how to find out the which one is the big one? Now you take the in 10th place values are common. Now you take 1st place value. Okay, 1st place in 47, 7 is there. Then after 9 is there. Next 6 is there. 5 is there. Which one is the biggest number in 1st place? 7, 9, 6, 5. Okay. Now 9 is the biggest number. Okay. This is the first one. Okay. Next one. Same. In 7 or 6 and 5 okay. Now you take. Which one is big one? 7 is big one. Now take 47. Next 6 or 5. Which one is the big one? Which one is small one? 6 is big one, 5 is small one. Now take 46. Next, which one is? Last one is in 2-digit number. 45 is there. Now write last one 45. Okay, in 2-digit number, in another 10th place value 3 is there. This is the last least one. 49, 47, 46, 45, 38. This is the descending order. Okay, arrangement from the greatest number to the smallest number. Okay, students? Okay, next one. Make the smallest 3-digit number using each digit once. Okay, making the smallest 3-digit number using each digit once. Now I will take only 3 digits. Okay, how to write 3-digit number in smallest number? Now start. I will take 6, 4, 8. This is a single digit number. 6 is single digit number, 4 also single digit number, 8 also single digit number. You write the smallest 3-digit number. First of all, you find out the smallest number. Okay, which one is smallest? 6, 4, 8. Which one is small? 4 is small. Okay, next one. 6 or 8. Which one is small one? 6 is small. Last one is 8 is there. This is 468. This is the smallest 3-digit number. 468 is the smallest 3-digit number. Okay, the smallest 3-digit number using each digit once. I will use only one time in 4. 6 is also using one time and 8 also using one time. Okay, this is the smallest 3-digit number. Okay, but this is another model. Okay, make the greatest 4-digit number using each digit once. Okay, how to? Okay, possible. Okay, now I will take one example. Okay, I will take 8, 0, 4, 3. 4 digits is there. Not this is the 4-digit value. This is the 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit. 4 digits. I mean 4 numbers are there. You have to write your greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number. How to write? Now start. Answer is okay. Which one is big one? 8 is big one. 0, 4, 3. Which one is big one? 8 is big one. Okay. Next which one is big one? 0, 4, 3. 4 is big one. Next 3 or 0. Which one is big one? 3 is big one. Okay, last one 0 is there. This is the greatest 4-digit number. This is the greatest 4-digit number. Okay, do you understand, students? Okay, this is examples for you, ma. Okay, all of you do the work. Okay, thank you for watching.